Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the surprisingly lucrative world of mop making. Also known as pocha making. It's a business you can start with a low initial investment and remarkably easy assembly. Let's explore how to get started in this practical and accessible venture. First, let's break down the essential components. You'll need a plastic holder. This forms the base and structure of the mop. Then, you'll require the cotton yarn, which is the absorbent part, responsible for effectively cleaning surfaces. Finally, you'll need the steel stick, which provides the handle for comfortable use and maneuverability. These three components are the core elements. Simple, yet essential, right? Now, let's get into the assembly process and see how these components come together to create a functional cleaning tool. The process is remarkably straightforward, making this business especially appealing to beginners. The cotton yarn is carefully attached to the plastic holder, typically by a secure knotting or a specialized clipping mechanism, depending on the holder's design. Think of it like creating a big, fluffy, absorbent head. Next, the sturdy steel stick is connected to the holder. This often involves a simple screw in design, or sometimes a convenient snap-on connection, depending on the manufacturer's chosen approach. And there you have it, a fully assembled and ready-to-use mop. This business model is especially attractive due to its low startup cost, offering an accessible entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs. The materials are readily available and quite affordable, making it a financially viable option. You can source them locally from various suppliers, or if you're looking for greater economies of scale, from wholesalers. The assembly process itself doesn't require any specialized equipment or advanced, highly technical skills. This simplicity makes it a particularly perfect option for individuals, or even small groups, who are looking for a reliable, income-generating venture. Now, let's hear from a small-scale supplier who has first-hand experience in the mop-making business. Interviewee name: could you share a bit about your journey, how you got started and how the business has been for you? Interviewee: well, I started with a very modest initial investment. I focused on buying the necessary materials, mainly in bulk, to reduce costs. The assembly is incredibly easy. I was able to learn the entire process in just a single day. The demand for mops is consistently high, particularly within households and also among various small businesses. For me, it has proven to be a reliable and quite stable income source. That's great. What about any significant challenges you faced in this business? Interviewee: the main challenge, as with any business, is definitely the competition. There are other mop-making businesses out there. However, by focusing on offering high-quality mops at competitive, yet profitable, pricing, you can definitely carve out a solid market share. Also, building strong relationships with local retailers and potential customers is absolutely crucial for long-term success in the mop-making business. So, what are the key takeaways from our exploration of the mop-making business? The mop-making venture offers a low-cost entry point, a simple and straightforward assembly process, and, crucially, a consistent and steady demand. It's an accessible and practical business model for aspiring entrepreneurs looking for a profitable opportunity. Consider exploring this potentially rewarding opportunity further. Thank you for watching.